In this video, we are going to see the guided tutorial of the Diksha app. What is Diksha app? So friends, Diksha app is a platform where the students, teachers, government officials and the whole country can learn from it. They can join the live trainings, then the students can have the textbooks, the videos for their concept clarity and many more things. So today I will show you the student section of the Diksha app. So first we will start with the downloading of Diksha app. So you have to go to Play Store, then click on Diksha app to install. Search Diksha app and then install it. It is a small app of 11.45 MB. So friends, it is a very good and informative app, friends. I tell you that you should download it and learn from it. It is downloading. When it will be downloaded, we will open it. Now it is downloaded, we will open. This is the Diksha app. Friends, they will first ask for your language which you are preferring. There are the examples of this language. You can select any one of your choice. I am selecting English. Then as I told in before that we are going to see the student section in this video. And you can also choose the teacher and other one. So now we are going to continue as student. Friends, the Diksha app wants an access to your camera, file manager and microphone of your device. If you want to grant the access now, you can grant it now. But if you want to give the access not now, after some time, so you can select on not now. So I am selecting on not now. Friends, if you have the textbook which has a Diksha QR code or a QR code, so you can scan it from scan QR code. Or if you do not have a QR code, so you can select your board and the other details. You can select your own details which you study in and everything you as your choice, and as you are what you want, you can choose it. You can choose other board also which you are not studying in. You can also choose it also. Friends, when you scan the code on your textbook, the Diksha will take you directly to the content. So friends, now we will see it. It has so many options like English, mathematics, science, geography, history and many more things, political science, civics. So friends, if you want to select other, you can select above it. See, English medium, Hindi medium, Sanskrit medium. This is the medium of the language. And if you click on see more books and content, you can see the more books and content like the subjects of English, environmental studies, geography, health and physical education, Hindi, history and everything. See, there are this much subjects in this app. So friends, here you can concept clarity. You can do here like this, floating gap, perimeter and area. Friends, it is the timetable or the scheduling or the document which gives you information about the training or the class which is it will take. Like see, it is powered by Khaitan Public School, Sahibabad. So friends, it is for the day 1 timetable or the schedule. Duration 40 minutes and what will happen in this 40 minutes, it is written here. This day 2, day 3 and so on. So friends, this was some features. Now I will show the other features. See, you can select here textbook. So they will show the textbooks. then if you select video, they will show you the videos. We have to download the video on your device, then only you can view it. So friends, we are not downloading it now. You can download and view it. These are the documents which they are providing. See, perimeter area. We will open it. Friends, so it is opening. See friends, it is the same like the timetable. It is in under the document file. So friends, now you can select interactive. So let's see what is interactive. Interactive means that there will be an interactive classes. Like you have to choose the correct options and like this quiz type. So friends, you have to download it to see the content. So we'll download it. Yes, it is downloaded. So we will play the video. Let's see friends, it is playing. Why not? Yes, it is coming. It is loading. So friends, this is the quiz. See friends, here the chapter is the honeycomb. So before it there were the textbooks. So when you will read the textbook, then you can get the answers for this questions. And the questions are in interactive. See friends, in textbook, you can search honeycomb or any chapter you want. See, this is the textbook. You can read the textbook. You can read the textbook and then do the quiz. So friends, this was the library section. So now we will go on to the training section. Friends, in the training section, you will get the live trainings to join. Like this, see friends, like this. If you click on open, then there will be the join training, and if you click on the join, so there will be the login. So you have to log in compulsorily into it. So friends, if you have made the account before, so you do not have to go to the register here options. But if you do not have made the account and you are doing it the first time, so at bottom you can see the register here options. So you have to click on the register here option. So it will come that option to register, and then they will ask you some details like location. You can select your location. They are also giving us to select the district. So now they will ask our full name, email address, mobile number, या password. We can make your password. Any password you can make, but it must contain a maximum of any letters but minimum of 8 letters. It must have numerals, lower and uppercase alphabets and special characters without any spaces. So friends, by this at last you have to click on the I understand and accept the Diksha terms of use, and then you have to register, friends. And then your meeting will start. And when the meeting is not started, because the meeting is not now, there are several batches. So now these are the downloads, the things that you have downloaded. See, honeycomb textbook we have downloaded, this quiz we have downloaded. See friends, you can see it. It is so simple, we can access it anytime. Then it is your profile, the details you filled in. See, you can change it. See, you can again change your profile, but we are remaining the same profile. So friends, you have seen that in this video that the Diksha app, the guided tutorial for Diksha app. So friends, it is a good app and informative in the time of this pandemic, and anytime you can access it with the help of internet connection. Internet connection is the must. So friends, you see here it is the scan option. Between the training and the download is the scan option. You can scan. There are Hindi medium. See, Hindi medium, Sanskrit medium and Urdu medium. English will remain the same only. So friends, thank you for watching this video. Please share and like this video to more people for their understanding and awareness towards the technology and the apps here. So friends, please subscribe my channel and thanks for watching. Thank you friends.